Today's video is going to be more beauty based. As you saw from the title, it's going to be a really quick synthetic wig review on this bad boy here, which I happen to be wearing. And this is the Annie Bob 12-inch lace front wig. Yes, by Outre.
Yo, beauty graphic designer, you are a genius. A genius.
Here is the actual card up close and personal. So I do have the color 1B, you guys. And honestly, I don't love it, but I like it. And here's a few reasons why. Can y'all see? Tell me something. That don't look like the same wig. I'm looking at the viewfinder right now. This doesn't look like the same wig to me. And this is what I wanted. You see how like full and like afro textured that looks versus this? Not to mention, and of course I know this is relative to like body types and statures and heights and stuff and whatnot, but this looks so much shorter on her than it does on me. And this isn't bad, but I wanted this length. You feel me? You feel me? So anyways, it is tapered in the back, however, and hopefully I have it like brushed correctly or combed out correctly. But that's the thing. I feel like it constantly has to be like brushed a certain way for it to look right. And also too though, just so you know, just warning, that might have something to do with the way I have it right now, which I'll show you at the end of this video what that looks like. Pretty much I have my hair in a little mini bun right here, so it might be poking it out a certain way, I don't know. But as far as the texture, it is nice. You do get that like afro texture, but I do feel like it's not as afro textured as this freaking info card. I haven't worn this out, but just so you guys know, I have a little bit of leave out. You can actually tell if I get up in there. I have a little bit of leave out. This is my hair and my scalp. And then this is the actual wig. And what I did was I actually cut a little bit into the hairline. And then I took black eyeshadow and I literally like camouflaged the edge of the hairline. So that way, when the wig is like right here, you won't see that obvious lace between like that and my hair. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? Anyways, let me know what you guys think. This was supposed to be, like I said, a quick video on this wig. So that way, if you're thinking of purchasing it, you can kind of get a better idea of what it looks like, how it moves, all the things. Maybe I got a bad, I was gonna say bash, but maybe I got a bad one. I don't know. But this is not the same wig. And I did a little bit of baby hairs there. Oh, and I also stained here. I'll show you guys what I mean by that, the black powder. I also stained the lace here just in case, you know, the wind blows, child, because honestly, it's going to stay like this anyways. Oh, and yes, no, I don't use glue. I don't use spray. I'm not that chick. I'm not saying never say never, but I'm not. So just in case you were wondering as well, I literally can take this off right now if I wanted to. So that's the wig, you guys. Like I said, I don't love it. I like it. I like it. I would say 6 out of 10. Maybe recommend. All right, so I'm now going to remove the wig so you have a little bit more context as to what's happening back here, which perhaps could be influencing, obviously, the way that it's laying down. So just be mindful of that. If you have flat braids or maybe no hair underneath, it's going to be as flat as possible and it'll probably look better. So that might be the reason why I'm not really feeling it as much. So yeah, here we go. So I have the one clip kind of tucked underneath, okay, and then the other two clips right here on the sides, they're right here. Just gonna lift that. Ooh, child, feels so good to take a wig off, people. Goodness gracious. Let me show you the inside as well as far as the construction. Uh-oh, looks like some of this hair got a little caught underneath here. And there's like little small parts here because again, you guys, it is tapered. Okay, so you get the one comb in the back, the two on the sides, and let me show you what I mean by what I stained. Can you guys see that? It's hard to tell there, but basically all that black at the edges is from the powder that I put on it. All right, and then I had this little bit of leave out, all right, which was flat ironed. And then this is kind of ghetto, so just know, like I had no cap. I just kind of quickly put this on, whoop de bam, yes ma'am type of thing. Everything here is bobby pinned. Don't ask me why I didn't have black bobby pins. I ran out. By the way, you guys, I actually did this entire installation, this makeup, everything on a live show on SUPERGREAT, and so the replay is still there if you want to actually check it out. It's about 4.5 hours long though, because it was in light of my birthday. For turning 37, I wanted to kind of just do something fun and do a full glam makeup look and outfit and whatnot. Check that out. I would just toggle towards, like, see the beginning a little bit and then toggle towards the end. All right. But yeah, so I had that big, it wasn't that big, but you know, that little bit of bulk there. And so, and for those who are wondering what, I don't think you're wondering, but in case you want to see how much hair I had underneath here, you know, I always try to find wigs, as you can see, that are similar to my hair type. This is why I actually wanted the wig to have that texture that I was hoping for. And maybe some of you guys might actually think like it looks the same, it looks fine, but for some reason to me it doesn't. Anyways, I might just be super picky, but nonetheless, yeah, so this is my actual hair underneath. And honestly, if I had this braided, it'll probably lay better. So I'm going to attempt to do that. Maybe I'll do twists because I don't actually know how to really do braids for real on myself. Ooh, feels so good to brush your hair. But yeah, this is how much hair I have underneath. And as you can see, lengthwise, it's almost the same. I think it's a tad bit longer, and my hair is not tapered in the back. But yeah. I actually like the afro textured hair look. Okay, and there you have it, you guys. That completes this synthetic wig review of the Annie Bob 12-inch. See, texture wise, you see what I mean? Maybe just because it's a little shiny. I could always take some dry shampoo to it. Maybe that'll help. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you would try? Especially, you know what, if you're looking to like cut your hair but you're not sure, this would be a great wig to try on as well. In order to kind of gauge, I say cut it, because I cut my hair last year in November, and honestly, I can't wait to do it again. I got new hair because of it. Like, the way my hair looks now versus how it looked last year is two different things because I cut it. So let it go, y'all. Cut them ends or try a wig. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Yo, beauty graphic designer, you are a genius.